Hello, welcome to Libra, Philippines. So, ito yung reading for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Let's start your reading. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And please do follow me on TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Diyan ako magla-live siya kasi Madam P Vlogs. Sana maabutan may live ko. Anyway, let's start your reading. Eight of Wands, the High Priestess, and the Wheel of Fortune. I'm seeing big change pagdating sa iyong career at pagdating sa iyong spiritual na bagay. Like maybe for some of you, nakikita natin you are a stable person eh. Pero may mga kulang or pwedeng may mga hinahanap ka pa. Okay? You are blessed with the moon, which is pwedeng malakas yung iyong intuition, malakas yung spiritual knowledge mo. The Ace of Wands, there's like mga bagong pangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon na nagdulot ng ending sa'yo. Okay? And parang wala kang choice kundi maging the King of Swords, which is someone na professional. You are someone na nag-iisip kung anong dapat talagang gawin. You do have here the energy of you want this change. Pero may mga tao sa paligid mo na parang ayaw ka nilang tulungan dito sa change na gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. Pwedeng tinatamad sila or wala silang like they're waiting for maybe a signal coming from you. May mga bagay kang gustong maabot. Pero yung mga tao sa paligid mo, parang hindi nila pinangarap yung pangarap mo, yung gusto mong maabot na yun. So, tell me about this with the Wheel of Fortune. Actually, sila yung nakikita ko nagpapatagal kung bakit di mo ma-achieve yung pangarap mo, yung plano mo. Page of Wands. I feel like with a Page of Wands, may nakikita tayong mga taong takot. No? Natatakot sila or hindi nila alam ang gagawin. Tell me more about this. You do have here the Knight of Wands. There's this person na parang this is like regarding sa love. Gusto niyang siya yung tumulong, siya yung makasama mo. Like this person wants communication. Pwedeng may communication na sa inyong dalawa. Pero this person wants more. Gusto niya more communication sa inyo. Tell me about this Knight of Wands. Yeah, girl with a snake. Maybe there might be this wedding rings or marriage na involved sa connection nito, pero itong person na to is like paikot-ikot pa rin siya pa sa paligid mo, like nandyan pa rin yung presensya niya. This person nakikita niya yung boundaries sa connection na ito, pero wala siyang pakialam. Yeah, there could be this third party situation here. And nakikita natin na For some of you, you might be in a relationship already, pero yung person na kakonect mo is parang hindi nakikipagtulungan sa'yo or parang walang pakialam sa ginagawa mo or what. Sige lang, susuportahan kita pero hindi para, makatulong ako ng malaki sa kung anong ginagawa mo. Ganun yung energy niya eh. You want this big change na mangyari sa buhay mo. And you actually hindi ka rin naman nag-expect sa mga taong to. Pero at least man lang, no, magbigay man lang sila ng effort or makita mo man lang sa kanila na nakikipagtulungan sila. You know what I mean? And or, nakita mo man lang sa kanila na nandyan sila para ipursige na maabot mo ng mas mabilis yung kung ano man yung gusto mong ma-achieve sa buhay mo. And I feel like nabanggit mo or nasabi mo na rin naman na sa kanila yung plano mo, but at least man lang, 'di ba? May makita ka sa kanila, but I don't feel like you're seeing any improvements. So parang pinabayaan mo na lang din itong mga taong to. For some of you, this is like pwedeng may kinalaman sa love. Yung iba maybe sa mga partners or friends or people around you. Someone here is really interested sa'yo. This person wants to talk. This person wants to connect or communicate na maybe even hook up with you. Gusto niyang ng one night stand between the two of you. Parang masaya na siya kahit ganun. Tell me about this person who really wants to talk to you. The King of Swords. Hindi halata sa kanya, guys. This person who wants to talk to you, hindi halata sa kanya na yun yung mga nasa isip niya, na yun yung gusto niya mangyari. This person is very cold. Maybe cold as ice. No? Hindi niya pinapakita yung mga plano niya. Tinatry niyang umarte or umact like as a professional. Lalo na nga if there's third party na involved. Like maybe attracted siya sa'yo but this person hindi yun nakikita or hindi mo makikita or mararamdaman sa kanya yun. Even though that you are the high priestess. Part of you is parang ramdam mo pero masyado kasing kulang yung sign mula sa kanya. Wala ka nararamdam, naririnig or whatever dito sa taon to. Pero part of you, malakas yung pakiramdam mo na parang may something. Parang gusto ko nitong taon to. Parang mahal niya ako, etc. But this person is really interested with you. Interesado siya sa'yo. Gustong-gusto ka niya. Tell me more. But this person is always watching you. Photograph is here, looking at you. Lagi kang iniisip. This could be a past person. Yeah, you do have your soulmate energy and we do have your camera. So, lagi kang iniisip nitong person na to and there's a lot of memories sa kanya mula sa'yo. Na like every detail naaalala niya mula sa'yo. This person is going to chase you soon. You do have the chaser. Maghahabol siya sa'yo sa mga susunod na buwan. You just have to wait and be the high priestess. Like, kailangan mo lang maging, parang walang pakialam din. Kasi pinapakita niya wala siyang pakialam. So, ipakita mo wala ka lang rin pakialam. But there's this soulmate energy na maghahabol sa'yo in the near future. What would be the reason why? Bakit siya maghahabol? Tell me, spirit guides, angel guides. Because technically, may ending na nangyayari sa inyo. And maybe you are leaving the situation with a fool. Diba? Lumalayo ka, umalis ka, or nilalayuan mo yung person na to. Nakikita natin with the page of Knight of Cups. Like, wait lang, wag kang umalis. I have offer. I still have this offer. Please take this. Please take me. Parang ganun yung offer. Kunin mo tong offer na to. Yeah, mag-abol siya because you're moving on with the Six of Swords. And you do over the moon. Hindi ka pwede mag-move on. We're soulmate. Parang ganun. I'm still here. I will be the one na magpapakita sa'yo. You do have here the Four of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Energy. This person wants to invest, or maybe may pinaplano siya regarding sa ipon niya eh. And maybe ikaw yung unang nasa isip niya. Maybe this person wants to talk with you regarding something na pwedeng may kinalaman din sa pera. This person, hindi kanya kayang i-let go. Hindi kanya kayang i-let go. But you're trying to end whatever meron sa inyo, no? Parang ganun. Pero hindi kanya kayang i-let go. So, what will happen in the near future for you? For Libra. And I can see you being the Queen of Swords. You are, kung siya yung hindi nagpapakita ng emotions ngayon or what, in the near future, nakita ko, ikaw din, because you are writing your own book. Nakikita natin yan, na parang gumagawa ka ng sarili mong storya, or nagfo-focus ka sa sarili mong buhay. You know what I mean? In the near future, you will be cutting off, or will try to cut off people around you na hindi mo kailangan. I can see you being happy with the Sun in the near future, kasi may mga inspiration, or may mga bagay pagdating sa career na magbibigay ng inspiration sa'yo. May mga bubuin ka in the near future. I am seeing you being busy with the Eight of Pentacles sa pagbuo, paggawa ng pera. Ten of Pentacles, a lot of money is coming in here for you. Basta i-priority mo to. Just give your heart to what you are doing, no? Yung hindi lang basta dahil kumikita ka or kikita ka. Yung dapat papasok ka or pupuntahan mo tong career na to na masaya ka, gusto mo yung mga nakikita mo, gusto mo yung mga taong kasama mo. And tell me more pagdating sa love in the near future for Libra. Yeah, I told you, you do have already Justice card. Pwedeng meron din siya Libra energy. This person, like what I've told you, hindi siya magla-let go. Kahit mahirap, with the Ten of Wands, pipilitin niya. Pipilitin niyang mapalapit sa'yo, because this person wants your decision. Kailangan niya ng decision mo. This person wants the truth between the two of you, the connection here. So, pagdating sa love, Five of Swords is here. I can see na parang magugulat ka na lang sa mga gagawin ng taong ito in the near future. Yeah, the Two of Wands, this person is already planning. Nine of Swords, Page of Swords. Coming from a young energy, someone here is planning a comeback in the near future for you. So, may magbabalik sa buhay mo. And, like, gagawa siya ng paraan para magkaroon ng chance sa inyo. This person, nakikita ko maghahabol talaga siya. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.